So then
I
you
lost.
wouldn't, would you pick within friendship, and I'm asking you because I don't have that many friends as a whole,
Right.
but would you say that your friend should check in on you once a month, once every 6 months, once a week, or is there a time frame? It just depends.
I don't think there's a time frame. I think for me, I reach out to people when I'm like, I don't see them as active, maybe on social media, right? If I just kind of pay attention, if people aren't posting as much, or I'm like, oh, let me just check on them. Or if I just have it, or sometimes it's just a feeling. I'm like, you know what? I haven't heard from so and so in a while. Let me just see how they're doing. So it's not a time frame. I'm not gonna like. I don't put on my calendar, okay, let me message. I think
Right.
it's just like if you're really that person's friend, you're gonna think about them every once in a
Right.
while.
Right.
And whenever you think about them, just reach out. Doesn't hurt. I have lots of friends who do that. Like I have a good well, she's a good friend, but I haven't. We were friends in college, like my first round of college, so
Right.
that's years ago now. And we don't talk on the phone really, but we see each other maybe at the kids' birthdays. But every 2 or 3 months, like I'll text her, she'll also text me. Like to me, that's a friend. We don't have to speak every day, but we care about each other.